Welcome to the Union Bank of India, straight-through process for retail loans, a walkthrough of customer journey. Prospective home loan, personal loan, and vehicle loan customers can apply through the link shown here and receive in-principle approval in 30 minutes. On the home page, the main screen has 4 options: check eligibility, apply for loan, track status, and incomplete application. Under check eligibility, applicants can check their eligibility for the loan for all the 3 products simply by inputting their income and obligation details. Under incomplete application, any prospective borrower who has dropped off from the journey due to any reason can resume the application from the last saved stage. Under track status, borrowers can track real-time status of their application. Under the Application tab, new customers can start the journey by inputting his or her details. Or, existing customers can enter their customer ID or account number and it will pick the details from CBS. Select the type of loan required and the loan amount. Input your personal details like name, date of birth, gender, mobile number, and email ID. The OTP-based verification of mobile number and email ID will follow. Select your residential and marital status. Aadhaar verified from UIDAI through OTP and PAN through NSDL authentication. Input present and permanent address details. Input employment details and the office address, along with preferred branch for disbursement. Here, after saving the page, co-applicant and guarantor can be added by clicking on the Add Co-applicant or Guarantor tab on the top of the page. After inputting the applicant details, applicant's inputting of income or expense details follows. Then upload the ITR and bank statement. For ITR, directly downloaded XML file can be uploaded or simply provide ID and password of the income tax portal. The system will fetch the details. Bank statement should be downloaded directly from the bank source. Provide password if password protected. Then provide income details. Provide expense details like any existing bank loan EMI and other expenditure outgo. Details of the proposed vehicle are then to be entered. Applicant will accept the offer and proceed further. On the next screen, customer has to upload the KYC, income proofs, photograph of applicant, co-applicant, or guarantor. If the customer uploads the documents, he will get in-principle sanction letter. If you select not to upload the documents, the customer can choose a preferred time and place to get the documents picked up. If the documents are not uploaded, the acknowledgement letter will be provided.